So we're gonna peek again. Ready? Okay. Last time what did we find last time? What was it?
Pets.
Watch me. Pig.
Pig.
Yes, I like how you pulled your tongue back in your mouth. Right, pig.
Pig.
Okay. Yeah, pig. Let's see what we're gonna find now. We have to peek. Ready? Say peek.
Peek.
Nice job, peek. Okay, peek. Oh, this one. That one.
This.
You think it's a Olaf? Really? Maybe. I want to peek.
Oh.
Peek.
I wish he did it.
Your turn. You can say peek.
Peek.
Nice job. I like how you put your sound in the back. Who is it?
What?
Wait. You want to peek or look?
Which?
Oh, watch my sound. Watch my sound. Look.
Look.
That's it. Let's look. Here we go.
Look.
Look.
Olaf.
It's Olaf.
Yeah.
It's a snowman, right?
Yeah.
A snowman. Look, he has a scarf and a broom. It's not exactly Olaf, but it looks like a snowman. Like Olaf. Let's do another one. Ready? Are you ready to peek?
Yeah.
Say, let's peek.
Peek.
Nice job. Let's peek. Okay, ready? All right, we're going to peek. See what it is. Ready? This time I get to peek first. I peek. Uh-oh.
A dog.
A dog? Oh, a bug?
Wow.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Do you think it might be a spider?
Yeah.
You showed me a spider with your hands. A spider. Spy. A spider? Maybe. Let's peek. A couple more peeks. Peek.
Peek.
Nice job.
Oh.
Ooh, I want to peek. Ready?
Yeah.
Peek. Oh, I see a leg. Do you see a leg?
Yeah.
I see a leg and a leg. Do you want to look?
Yeah.
You have to say that. I want to look.
I know which.
Oh, I want to hear that sound at the back. Look.
Look.
Nice job. Let's look. Okay, here we go. Let's look.
Okay.
It's a
Dad.
tarantula.
Oh, wait. I want that.
That looks scary. Look at this is a word we could use for our sound too. Watch leg.
Yeah.
Watch me. Leg.
Dick.
Leg.
Dick.
Leg. Try again. Leg.
Dick.
Good. Leg.
Dick.
Good. Leg. Do you have any legs? Do you have 2 legs? Or 8 legs? You have 2. 2 leg. He has lots of legs.
Yeah, he's nasty.
He's nasty. I agree. He's scary.
He's nasty.
He is scary to me.
Yeah.
And he's big.
He's big. He's not naughty.
I like how you said he's big. Can you do that again? Big.
Big.
Big. He's big.
Okay, I want to do
You want to do another one?
I want that.
You want to peek? Piano? I'm not sure what you're doing this. I'm not sure what that is like. You want to scratch? I don't know. I understand what you mean. I'm not sure I understand. I'll try my best. I'll try my best to understand. Okay. I want to put a new one in there. I got a new one. Ready?
Oh.
A new one. I'm gonna put one in here.
What is the dad?
Ready? Ready? Let's peek.
Well, peek.
Okay. Peek one.
Oh, that is not that.
That's not a friend. That's not a spider anymore. Watch. Let's peek.
What? Peek.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
What are those? Ready? Let's peek.
Peek.
Nice job. Wait, I want to peek. I think I know what this might be. Peek.
Peek.
Should we look? Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Let's peek.
Peek.
Okay. Again, peek.
What's it?
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Tell me. Let's look.
What's this?
Look.
Look.
Look. Look.
Look.
Good job. Look. It's French fries.
I want to.
And look what's on the back.
What?
Oh, look at that. On the front, that's the French.
The
Look, here's the spider and on the...
this.
You want to see the next one? Watch.
That.
Let's turn this over. Say back.
Back.
Back. Let's see what was on the back of these.
Uh.
We had some other ones here. Let's see. Let's see the snowman. We have the snowman. Let's turn over and say back.
Back.
Let's see what it is. Oh, there was a gnome on the back. Let's look at the pig.
Pick.
And let's look at the back. Ready? Flip it over. Let's look at the
The dad.
back.
Back.
Back. Flip the back. Oh!
Dick.
Snake.
Yeah. I did the
Snake.
dick.
And pig.
Pick.
Nice job. Oh, wait. Did we see this one? Oh, that was the candy.
No, it's a bird. Oh,
And on the back, it was a bird. A swan.
oh, the duck.
Black and white.
That.
Quack, quack. Maybe a duck. Oh, a duck.
Yeah.
Try that word again. Duck.
Duck.
Nice job, a duck. And there was candy. Hey, and here was the cat. I wonder what's on the back. On the back.
Back.
Let's see what's on the back.
I want to do the dad.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, it was a